Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm just going to show you how to use your progress log as part of your computer applications module. So if you go over to the left hand side here and you click the progress log tab, it'll take you in here to this screen. So what I want you to do is, this is just a picture of your progress log here, okay? So if you go up here to this file and you click on it, just taking a second there to bring this file up, you see a download starts, okay? So once that download starts, go down to this file and click on show in folder, okay? In this case, it will go into your downloads. So you can cut that out and you can put it on into your My Documents. Okay, if you double click on that file and open it up, you see here you just need to enable editing, but if you click in here you can add your student name, okay? Each of these assignments here are exercises, and then finally you do your exam. So when you complete your exercise, I want you to just go in and enter the mark available. So if you finished the on-post exercise in Microsoft Access, for example, just click in there and enter 2, and that means you've completed it, okay? Now this should be 0 here. So as you enter these marks, you should be able to update the overall percentage there complete. And then if you take a look over here, you'll see that the total percentage completed will also update as you go through. But you will need to remove this overall percentage complete here, because that is 0 at the moment. You haven't done anything yet. But okay, so I need you to just keep that log updated. It just allows me to see how you're getting on with the subjects. So if you have any queries, you can have a chat there at the water cooler about this on the discussion board, and we can come up with a solution. That's great, guys. Thank you very much.